Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Priceline, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Priceline. Press the enter key. Wait for the Priceline homepage to load. Locate the sign in button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will see a login form. Enter your email address in the designated field. Make sure to check for typos. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. After entering your login details, double-check the information. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. Wait for the page to refresh. You should now be logged into your Priceline account. If you encounter any login issues, try clearing your browser cache. Alternatively, ensure you have a stable internet connection. You are now ready to explore all that Priceline offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.